In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these physics repeated questions under the subtopic inductance, induction coil, and energy stored in an inductor. So we have 5 repeated questions to practice with this video. Let's get started. First question here says, if two inductors of inductances 3 Henry and 6 Henry are arranged in series, the total inductance is what? So Henry is the unit of inductance. So since it's series collection or arrangement is going to be just some 6 Henry plus 3 Henry, which will give you 9. Alright, so the correct option in this question is option C, which is 9 Henry. The next repeated question will be this one. It says two inductors of inductances 5 millihenry and 15 millihenry are connected in series and a current of 5 ampere flows through them. The total energy stored in the inductors is. So to solve this question, the formula to apply to get the energy stored in an inductor is half Li square, where Lu is the inductance. So Lu is a symbol for inductance. So in this question, let's put the values. We have half the inductance. We have to basically connected in series. So when you add 15 plus 5, you get 20. It will have 20 millihenry. Now note, because in these options we have, they didn't convert this millihenry to Henry. They just solved it in millihenry. So you just have to be careful. Looking at the options, you should know whether they converted the unit to a standard unit. Okay, but from the options we have, they didn't convert this millihenry to Henry. So we just work with it. It will have 20 times the current there is 5. So 5 square will be 5 times 5. So it will be cancel itself 1, cancel this one 10. We have 10 times 5, that's 50. 50 times 5 give you 250 joules. So the right option is what? Option B, which is 250 joules. Now if you have to convert this 20 millihenry to Henry, basically all you need is to divide this by 1000 and it will be converted to Henry. Okay, so just take note of this. So the next repeated question will be this. Let's wipe this. So the next repeated question will be this one. Is it says the energy stored in an inductor of inductance 5 millihenry when a current of 6 ampere flows through it is. So we have, okay, so from the basic formula we have it to be half Li square, where L is the inductance. So let's input the values. We're going to have half. Now the inductance here is 5 millihenry. From the options we have, this tells us that they converted this 5 millihenry to Henry. So to convert 5 millihenry to Henry, it will be 5 over 1000. So this will give you 0.005. So we have half times 0.005 times 6 times 6, which is a current. So let's punch this on the calculator. So we are going to have 0.005 times 6 times 6 divided by 2. So sorry, let me do this way. We have 0.005 times 6 times 6. So divide this by 2. So we're going to have 0.09. So another way you can convert 0.09 if you want to put it in standard form. This is in decimal value, 0.09. So you go forward twice, 1, 2. So it's something as 9 times 10 to the power negative 2. So the right option in this question is option C. Okay, so 9.0 times 10 to the power negative 2 joules. That's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. Okay, so the next repeated question with this one, it says an alternating current can induce voltage because it has ripple value, weaker magnetic field than the direct current, varying magnetic field, high peak value. So the right option in this question will be option C, which is it has varying magnetic field. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says two inductors of inductances 4 Henry and 8 Henry are arranged in series and the current of 10 amperes pass through them. What is the energy stored in them? So from the conventional formula, half Li square, so to give us half Now, the units of these inductance are in standard unit Henry, not in mini Henry, so no need to convert anything. So we have, it will be, since it's series connection, it will be 8 plus 4, that's 12 times the current, which is 10 times another 10 because of the I square. So when you divide 20 is a 1, 20 you have 6. So you have 10 times 10 will give you 100. 100 times 6 gives 600. So the right option is question will be option D, which is 600 joules. So this basically can do problems involving inductance, induction coil, and energy stored in an inductor per physics. So we learned something interesting from the video. Practice with 5 will take questions for this subtopic. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be receiving special information and help to simplify your academic work. Alright, so having known that, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.